Science Barge in Yonkers. And the view is spectacular. Join us, CLC's summer tour at the Science Barge.
The Science Barge is an urban sustainability education center and a floating farm running completely off-grid. It utilizes solar, wind, and rainwater and compost all its waste. We are here to learn possibilities for future urban sustainable living.
Hi.
Hi, Danielle. Hi,
Hi.
Young.
Hi.
Hi, Audrey. Hi, JJ.
Hi. The future.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Everyone, welcome to Science Barge.
Awesome. Welcome to the Science Barge. Bad insects, the invasive insects, than the actually good ones. All right. But yep, we're growing soil stuff in here. What do you guys see? Anything that you guys know? What kind of vegetables do you think we're growing?
Cabbage. Onion.
You did, yeah.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Yeah, yeah. We got some kales here and kales.
Right, we have these mums, these flowers over here in the bottom. These mums also help to attract a lot of different types of insects, which again help to protect the other plants that are growing near it.
Do we have a word for that?
Mum, sorry, marigold. This could be put onto like a rooftop, like if you imagine.
So that flower needs to be pollinated, and doing something just like that, like a little bit of pollinating in the greenhouse. Just that is going to pollinate that flower. That flower is going to die and fall off, and then a tomato is going to form right outside of it. Soil. So outside we have soil. Soil is really great. It's really useful. For plants, it does two things. What two things does soil help with plants? Why do plants need soil? See the little guys in there? These are koi fish.
Koi fish.
Koi fish are really good at these types of systems because they can handle the temperature changes. So if it's really hot or really cold, they're okay. The fish can be really delicate, but these guys are troopers. So even on that really hot day this past weekend, they were doing just fine.
Anybody else want to take a guess what it
Hay.
is? Not hay.
Hey.
What is it?
What do you think it is?
It's from
Poop?
food. It's not poop.
Wood.
Remember, poop has nutrients in it, so this can't be poop.
I don't know whether you can figure out this.
Wood.
All right, I'll give you a hint. Sometimes
All those guys, little critters don't like to grow inside of there, right? Diseases don't like to go inside. 8 plus 6 is 14.
which is 144. So each one of these systems
144
is
letters.
144. This is 144, and this is 144 heads of letters.
Yeah, that was my question.
For fun. If not, that would have just been like a gray eyesore. But now we can kind of see, what is this cycle that we have right here?
Water cycle.
The water cycle, exactly. So we can see how water moves now, and we can teach about that a little better.
That's right. Do they have any nutrients?
No.
Absolutely not. Where's the nutrients? This is where the water
Why do
goes.
they have the pebbles?
Yeah. Why is the pebble there?
Oh, sometimes it comes.
Sometimes they fall in.
So we have to scoop them out.
Water deep.
So this is a science experiment. So here on the Science Barge, we have a couple of high schoolers that have science that So what we do, take our little V1, turn it on, and then just press it right inside of there. And that is enough to pollinate that flower. So now that flower is going to eventually die off and turn into a tomato. Exactly.
No, that's too much. Oh, wait, I do it from the top?
You're gonna touch it from the back. Here.
Oh, there's also some, there's actually, these are a lot easier to get to. Yeah, so they actually just cause the pollen to fall off. Yeah, they do kind of.
You're not bumblebee.
So other ways that we can do this is by having.
Very tiny tomato.
We're gonna take a break over there as well. All right, are we done pollinated?
Yep.
If
Oh, one
we're
fell
done, we can
off.
put it right in.
Nearby that this food goes to. So when you guys pollinated all these, just know that that food is gonna go to them.
And I think you guys might have been the first one. So barges have no engine or no motor, so we're not going to go anywhere. So they need a tugboat to push them along. And then we have these situations where people just jump off the fence right there, and it's not. People are silly. Trash. The green fins and the red fin, those are snow shovels
Oh.
that have been broken. That is made out of styrofoam.